next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired.
Hello guys, how you guys doing? How is everything? How is your day going? Guess when I have our first Christmas gift for the year 2025 is a girl, is me. Yeah, I'm really excited. Really excited. See the way I'm sweating. Hey, Jesus Christ. You might not understand the reason why I'm really excited. This is December. I think this is just the second week, and we've not even gotten to 25th, which is the Christmas day. And I've already gotten my first gift for the year. You see, gotten my Christmas gift for the year. See? So guys, before I show you guys what is inside this package, I want you guys to sit down and take a very cold drink, or you can go for a cup of coffee so that I can gist you guys how all this came about. I'm really excited because this particular gift you are seeing, it came from a subscriber of mine from my YouTube channel. So for my YouTube channel, I have two YouTube channel though, my personal one and I have my family content um channel where we'll display our lifestyle and everything. So I think it's House of Chris Jenny. So if you have been following me, you should be able to know that for now. So guys, so I got this particular parcel from my subscriber. This lovely soul. She said I should not mention her name. She's so nice. Like when I say nice, the first day I came in contact with her, I was like, what kind of human is this? She speaks so calmly. Like she's told me that, oh, I watched your video on the YouTube and I was really emotional because I saw the way you were just on your phone trying to repair your phone. So if you have been following me, you should be able to see that video. The video where I talked about going to slot repairing my Android phone, which has been giving me issue for some time now. So guys, I posted that video first on my YouTube channel, I think some months ago. It's not even up to 2 months. Yes, I can remember. Then I later posted it recently on my Facebook. Yes. So she said she watched that video and she was touched. She was like, is it not iPhone that most people have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they left it in their house without anybody using it? And that is what this girl or this lady is talking about, feeling that she wants to get. Because she was like, when she was telling me, she said she was really touched, but at that moment she was not really having much. So she said the little she has, she really wants to use it to sow like a seed in my life. Honestly, it was so touching. When she was saying it, I was just sharing. The tears were just coming out, guys. You need to see me that day. At Ikeja computer villa. That is where we went. Yes, you can see. So this is the store where she bought it from. You can see it here. This is the store. So guys, it was really God, I felt like crying now. Like seriously, I'm so sorry, but I cannot cry over here. No. She said she don't want me to mention her name, but ma, please, with all due respect, ma, I'm going to mention your name. I'm so sorry because this is really excited to me. Mrs. Charity, thank you so much for showing me charity. According to your name, thank you for showing me love, especially in this season. This Christmas season, or more. Hey, getting this gift, getting this, an iPhone, eh, as my first gift. That means this Christmas is going to be sweet for me, honestly. So guys, without saying much, that is the story, that is the gist. So that is why I'm really excited. So she told me to come down to Ikeja to come and get the phone, and I said okay. So first of all, I was thinking it's just like a scam, or but when I got there, she gave me this. Anyway, we went to the market, went to the store together. So she picked this for me, and I have my phone. Oh, who did it? Somebody shout Jesus. Oh my God. So guys, this is it. Your girl now has an iPhone. So right here we have iPhone 11 Pro Max. And not just ordinary Pro Max. The storage is 512, that is 512 gigabytes. Can you imagine how large it is? So this is it, guys. So if you want a gift like this, or if you're expecting or you want a gift this Christmas, honestly, you don't need to hide your mouth. Speak out. Speak out, please. Wherever you are, just speak out. Honestly, because I'm really, really surprised that how can somebody just watch somebody's video and you just decide to just do something like this too? Oh no, God, I'm really, really speechless. Like, I don't know how to express this feeling. Although I've gotten an item from a subscriber before. I got my industrial sewing machine from a subscriber. So, and this now is coming. Can you see? So guys, please just ignore the background noise. I think I've talked a lot. So let's go ahead and unbox this, guys. Let me unbox it so that I can start using my phone. Oh, you people should not call me Android user anymore. Please, 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 please. Sorry, I'm not trying to be proud here. Please, I'm not trying to be proud. Android users, please stay at the back. iPhone users, come to the front. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So I just want to open it now. Okay, let me put the camera so that I can see. Hey, no, my stomach show. No fit put am here. No fit dey video me. So guys, I've opened it now. So I will just go ahead now and I want you guys to see it very well. So this is it. I'm going to open it up now. Ooh, guys. Guys, oh guys, oh guys, oh guys, oh you can see what we have. So I'm going to just on it. Let me see. On it. Ooh, guys can see. So let me just leave it here. And let me just check what else we have here. Okay, this is the receipt we use in buying it. You can see, this is the receipt. So here we have the charger. You can see all clean, all neat. You can see it's very clean. You can see still clean, 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 clean. I think that is all we have in this case now. So what do we have in here? Okay, we have the direction, we have the manual. You can see how to use it. We have it here. And we have this little thing for SIM opening. Okay, so I think that is it. Okay, that is it. That is it. That is it. So guys, my phone is here. Woo! So guys, did you see? Did you see? Did you see? Did you see? Brand new Shafra, 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 Shafra. Oh God. So I need to charge it. I need to charge it. So guys, this is it. So I can use it to do my videos. See it. Hi, 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 hi. Oh my God. I know you might be saying, why is this a shiny thing? Just iPhone 11 Pro Max. See, if you are privileged to have iPhone 17, iPhone 15, iPhone this, iPhone that, that is for you. For me, I've not even tested anyone called iPhone, anything. I'll be hearing it with my ears. I've not even seen it. iPhone 6, iPhone 7, I've not seen it before. But you see, this iPhone 11 Pro Max and the storage, it means a lot to me. So guys, thank you. See you on more videos, guys. And also thank you to Mrs. Charity once more. Thank you so much, ma. I really appreciate. Thank you. Bye.
Please subscribe. Thank you.